We will need power inside our canopy to power up the food warmers and sometimes the lights if the event goes through the evening. The power source is either a generator or sometimes the event organizer provides actual AC power source. Regardless of the source, we should have a plug that goes to our tent that connects to the power source on the other side. Right. So this is more about setting up the power cord inside our tent. So what I typically do is just to use this 30-foot cable, which is in orange, and you can see it says 30 here, and loop it around the outside of the table. So it goes around from one end to the other. So since we have a 10 by 10 tent, so it will go from one end, one corner to the other corner. Now, which corner has this male plug will depend on where this is. So what we want to do is to make sure that we are plugging this on the right side and we're not crossing across so that we don't trip over this power cord. Okay. So once that's done, what we typically do is use these splitters. So it's the splitter that you actually plug into. Power cord. This goes to the generator, and then the extension wire plugs into one of the slots here. Now here in our setup there are two food warmers, and these are the plugs of the food warmers, so you can now plug the food warmer directly into this splitter. If we need more outlets, then we can just use another splitter to create more outlets that way. And then we do the same thing on the other end, because there will be two food warmers also there. So on the other end, you would have this plug, and then the food warmers would just plug here, and that's it.